So far, we've been learning about variables, data types, and how to print things in Python. Now, we're going to explore something really fun: numbers and arithmetic operations. Don't worry, it's not complicated. Imagine you have two numbers like 5 and 3. You can add them together, and Python will give you the result just like a calculator. Or if you want to find out how much one number is bigger than another, you can subtract, which is exactly what we did with 10 and 4. Multiplication is also super simple. For example, if you have a width and height, multiplying them gives you the area. And Python even lets you do powers, like raising one number to the power of another, which is a cool way to do bigger calculations in just one line. Division works just easily. Take a total and divide it by a count, and you get an average. The really neat part is that Python is smart with different kinds of numbers. You can add an integer and a decimal, a float, and Python will handle it perfectly. So, by playing around with these examples, you're learning the core of arithmetic in Python: adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, and combining different number types. It's like giving Python a small math toolbox, and now you can do all kinds of calculations in your programs. In the next video, we'll continue our Python journey and discover even more cool things you can do. Keep experimenting with numbers, and you'll see how fun coding can be.